In this video, we will show you how to deploy the SMAX demo environment on GCP using the installation portal. Please note that this video only contains the brief steps. More configurations may be needed depending on your running environment. CDF provides a graphical user interface named Installation Portal for the suite administrator to deploy the suite. Enter the URL of the installation portal and log in with the suite admin credentials. Select the suite metadata package on your local drive and click Upload. Select the SMAX version you want to deploy. Accept the end-user license agreement. Select the database. If you use a PostgreSQL or Oracle database, make sure the database is empty before you begin the installation. Enter the host name and the port that can be used to access the suite user interface. For all the nodes, select Managed NFS as the file system type. Enter the prepared file server IP and the exported path. Enter the PostgreSQL hostname and port, as well as the username and password you created in the preparation phase. Create the passwords for suite admin users. Follow the instructions in the Configure Load Balancer section on this page of the SMAX Help Center. Now, the suite is online. For more information about SMAX installation, visit the SMAX Help Center.